Alright, welcome to a new video. I'm not sure if I should talk while I'm doing this, or if I should record the voiceover afterwards, but here we go. So, we have ourselves something very unique here. If you can see it. It is a adapter to connect your Switch 1 controllers to a Nintendo Switch 2 console. So let's check it out. Should be easy to open. I'm not gonna keep this packaging, because I'm not gonna resell this sort of stuff. I guess it depends on how good it actually is, but we got everything out real quick. That's pretty cool. So these are way better quality than I thought they would be for the price that I paid. Looks pretty cool actually. So how this works is you can see this part here on each of these. It's not, I'm pretty sure it's not charging. Maybe you can charge with these, but they're made for attaching your old Joy-Cons to your Nintendo Switch. So let's do that. I'm gonna grab my Switch 2 right here. Oh, this is not the cleanest Switch, so sorry about that, but here you go. Not the cleanest Switch. Again, sorry about that. I should have cleaned it before starting this, but remove the Joy-Cons from the Switch, like that. You can see that these are similar to like the actual Joy-Cons here, but with the old Joy-Con rail stuff. So I guess if your Joy-Con rails break as well on your old Switch, you can do this to use your old Joy-Cons on your new Switch. Alright, let's go. I guess you just attach these magnetically to the console first. Like so. I probably should have cleaned this Switch. Let me actually do it real quick. So this is what the Switch 2 looks like with the attachments attached. And you can tell by putting in the Joy-Cons. Okay, that you can actually see the LED here when you're pressing the buttons. Interesting. You have to sync these controllers to the Switch 2 though. Separately it looks like. But yeah. It has detachable things here. You can reattach it. Honestly, the Switch 2 Joy-Cons are the size that I wish the original Joy-Cons were. So I kind of wish that was the case. But the reason I got this is not to do this. Not to do this at all, really. I am a crazy person who shiny hunts. And my goal is to use this for hopefully this. I don't know if it's gonna work. It is very risky here to buy this, but yeah, as you can see, the Switch 2 grip here. Can this attach to it? Oh, yep. So I can use Joy-Con once with a Switch 2 Joy-Con. It is kind of a ghetto setup here, but I can actually do. I used to hold the Joy-Con over here on this grip. This is pretty dirty too, sorry about that. But yeah, this is the reason I got these. Not really to use them in handheld mode. It's just to be able to use Joy-Con once with the more comfortable Joy-Con 2 grip. So I guess I could technically use Joy-Con 2s on the Switch 2 one. I should have cleaned this so bad. But yeah. It looks so wide, says it such an extra amount of additional space. I wasn't expecting it to actually work with the what you call it, the Switch 1 Joy-Cons like this. But yeah, that's pretty good stuff. It does not charge, and this grip doesn't have a charging port. I haven't gotten the charging port grip yet because I use the Pro controller most of the time when I play my Switch. So yeah. This is pretty epic. I love this. Excuse me, my dirty console. I don't really take it out of the dock that much, so it gets really dusty. I probably should clean it more. But yeah, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I'm very, very happy with this product, and it was definitely worth the $15 I paid for these. So it's not bad, not bad. It has an interesting mechanism to remove it. It is pretty weird looking. Both this way and like with this, it's just a piece of plastic, so it's not really that special. There probably is versions of these. Excuse me, there's a bunch of dust all over. There's probably something like this that actually connects to your Switch, like the Switch detects it as a Joy-Con or something. But yeah, this is just to have. It is very like weird to use Joy-Con once like this, but yeah. You have to sync them to the Switch. They don't charge, so that's the only unfortunate part. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this unboxing video of these, I guess, Yeah, it's not too hard to remove. I guess you only need to put them on for like once and then you just use them. I have to reattach these to my Switch to charge them. I don't have a charging dock for these. And this is just a piece of plastic, so it doesn't really charge, but yeah. That is that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!